The Huntington Beach Police Department in California confirmed an officer-involved shooting Saturday at Huntington City Beach as the U.S. Open of surfing was underway in that nearby area there. The shooting occurred at around 3:15 yesterday afternoon. The man shot by police was taken to a nearby hospital, we're told, and he is said to be listed in unknown condition. And speaking of California, wildfires continue to light up the night skies across there. That includes the Fawn Fire, the latest to scorch the state, but the weather this weekend may help fire crews. Lilia Luciano reports.
Walls of flames are threatening thousands of structures in Northern California tonight as the destructive Fawn Fire forces 2,000 residents to flee.
Had to pack everything up, all the belongings.
The blaze is the most urgent in the nation. A 30-year-old Bay Area woman is accused of igniting it. Also facing arson and manslaughter charges, Pacific Gas and Electric. Authorities say the utility is responsible for last September's deadly Zog fire, which started after a pine tree hit a power line. Statewide, nearly 10,000 firefighters are battling 11 major wildfires, fueled by the extreme drought that the West is experiencing.
The lake's drying up. We're in a major drought here.
Winds are dying down, which is helping crews attack from the air.
Those things do an amazing amount of work. They put a lot of retardant on the ground, so it's good to see them.
In Sequoia National Park, crews at the KNP Complex fire have saved some of the world's tallest and most ancient trees. Residents in Central California are being advised to stay indoors due to the smoky skies. Here in Southern California, the air quality is finally improving. Lilia Luciano, CBS News, Los Angeles.
R. Kelly's fate is now in a jury's hands after weeks of testimony in a sexual misconduct trial. A jury of 7 men and 5 women began deliberating racketeering and sex trafficking charges against the R&B superstar Friday. Prosecutors and defense attorneys finished their closing arguments this week. The 54-year-old singer is accused of running a Chicago-based criminal enterprise that recruited his accusers for unwanted sex and mental torment. An autopsy has confirmed actor Michael K. Williams, who played the shotgun-toting drug dealer Omar Little in the HBO crime drama The Wire, died of an overdose of drugs. And that's according to New York City's medical examiner's office. Authorities add that his death was accidental. Williams, who was 54 years old, was found dead in his Brooklyn apartment home on September 6th. Coming up, DOTD